Okay guys, today we're going to make a butterfly pea massage oil. And this is a 100 gram batch. So first thing we need is 98 gram of mineral oil. Mineral oil is the best oil to use for this because it doesn't get rancid over time and it doesn't need any preservative. And then we just have to put 1 gram of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil helps clear clogged nose and also helps reduce the symptoms of flu and colds and headache. So just 1 gram of eucalyptus oil. And then after that, you can use 1 gram of your favorite fragrance oil. For this one, I'm going to use vanilla fragrance oil. So it's just 1 gram as well. Yeah, and then just stir again. Next thing we need is the massage roll-on bottle. Then this dried butterfly pea flower. This is optional. This will just make your product more beautiful. Just push it down there. And then it's time pour the oil. Then we put its roll-on cap. Make sure it goes properly. And then the gold cap. That's it. So simple and quick. Okay, let's do one more. By the way, butterfly pea is rich in antioxidants, so it helps your skin to be healthy. And we're good. Just take a look at our finished product. It's ready to use.